Hi everyone, let us solve the very important problems of dipole moment. The first problem is that we have a semicircle. This is a semicircle. Minus q charge is at one end, plus q charge is another end, and both these two charges are separated by a distance, some distance. This is L. ये semicircle है आपका. This is center of the semicircle. This is small r. This is small r. So you just need to calculate the dipole moment of this system. So what is dipole moment basically? Dipole moment is the vector quantity E is equal to how much product of the charge and the distance between this. Magnitude of charge multiply the distance between the two charges, that is how much, 2r. This is a vector quantity. Its direction is opposite to the direction of electric field. So the direction negative से कहाँ होगा इसका direction? Positive. Is it clear everyone? So we have magnitude and direction. Now we will solve this question. Here P, it is asking P is equal to magnitude of charge multiply 2r L. As we know that L is equal to how much? Pi r. So can I write r in the form of L upon pi? Can I write it this way? So this dipole moment in terms of length will be q multiply 2r, that is r is equal to L upon pi. So finally we got the dipole moment to be 2ql upon pi. This is pi. So I hope this clear your doubt related to the dipole moment. We will solve one more problem. Have a look. So the problem is, it is given in this is the problem. Just have a look. It is very important. This is the system of charges that is provided to us. This is minus 3q. This is plus q. This is plus 2q. Now I need to tell you how to calculate the dipole moment of the system. So it's very simple. For making the dipole moment, charges are of equal and opposite sign. Magnitude should be same, but sign should be unequal. So first of all we have to make this to be the dipole. Minus 3q coulomb, this charge which you are looking here, we can write this in this way. How can we write this? We can write this minus 3q as minus q minus 2q. Is it clear everyone? So I can split the whole problem into two parts. This is our triangle. I hope. Is it clear to everyone? This will be minus q, just imagine, and here minus 2q. This is minus 2q. This is plus q. So this dipole form, there is another dipole form. Direction of first dipole will be what? This is plus 2q. Here this is plus 2q, minus 2q, minus q, plus q. So the first dipole direction is negative to positive. Another will be from negative to positive. I can take it to be P1, this to be P2. So the resultant of these two will be, this is the resultant. You know very well how to calculate the resultant. PR, resultant vector, P1, I vector, P2, J. So P1 we can easily calculate. What is P1? P1 is equal to, this is L. ये कैसा है आपका? ये आपको L दिया हुआ है. ये distance जो दिया आपको ये L था. I didn't mention, but you can note down. P1 is equal to how much? Q into L P2 is equal to how much? 2Q into, sorry, P1 will be Q into L, because this is, we are taking this to be minus 2Q and plus 2, we are taking this to be P1. This is P2. So P1 will be how much charge is given? 2Q, and P2 will be Q into L. Q into L. So we calculated this. We can easily calculate the resultant dipole moment magnitude. How much will it be? Under root P1 square plus P1 square plus P2 square. Clear? So how much will be P1 square? 2 2s are 4, 4Q square L square plus Q square L square. So finally we got the magnitude of the resultant dipole moment, which comes out to be under root कितना हो गया? QL root 5. So this is the final answer which we get, resultant dipole moment of the vector. So once again, thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can always access to me. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.